a fully functional ceramic coating for textiles. Introducing Q2 Fabric Coat, a super hydrophobic SiO2 product that protects fabrics against dirt, liquids, and harmful UV rays for up to 6 months. This versatile product can be used on interior materials or even your convertible top to make the cleaning of them extremely easy and efficient. Fabric Coat is also safe to use on difficult to keep clean Alcantara. And remember, if you're ever curious about what all it does, just take a look at the benefit icons located on its label. In order to prepare the surface properly for the coating, we recommend using Q2M fabric cleaner to ensure that it is clean and free of all contaminants. Make sure that the surface is completely dry before application. Also, we have generally seen better results when you apply multiple light layers of fabric coat versus one thick layer.